Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create new local account on Windows 11. Go to your start menu and look for settings. Click settings and click accounts at the left bar. Now scroll down and click other users. Click add account. Now click I don't have this person's sign-in information. Click add user without Microsoft account. Now type username for this local account and type password for it. Now choose security questions and answers. Now after filling the questions tab, click next. When account created, you can now access that account. Now it's done. If you want to change account type from standard to administrator one, click change account type. You can change it here from standard to administrator. If this video was helpful, please like video and subscribe my channel.